Ooh, I'm freezing. I'm not kidding, man. Like, my face is frozen as if I dipped my face in an ice bucket full of water. Hey guys, John of DRIFTMOB here. Guess where I am? I'm not in the Philippines tonight. I am here in Sydney Dragway. I'm here for the Drag and Drift Nights by Australian Drift Club. Here in Australian Drift Club, they have drift nights like these on a regular from drivers from all sorts of skill level, like beginners, intermediate, or pro drivers can come here and actually test out your skill, test out your car, fine-tune your suspension, or do whatever you need to do here. You could also come here and watch drifting up close, live actions from right here. It's really a very nice ambience for family and friends to get together and of course enjoy practicing and just drifting all night. We have regular events like this almost every weekend, so go check out our website to see more details, how to join and how to enter. You can even have passenger rides, and all the details are there in our website. That's Australian Drift Club, and we'll put the link below. So guys, come here, join us and have some fun. There's Sam getting the layout wet with his truck, seeing if everything is right, and of course will fit right there. People registering right there. Later we'll shoot some action. The track inspector, my wife, she's making sure that everything is good. I'm just kidding.
This is draft day. I hear talking what the bag say. Pockets hella flat. I told myself this is the last day. Getting tired of walking around depressing with a sad face. Shawty hella fun, like turn around like what the say. Wasn't last place. Now I smash things. I want all the pleasure cause I really had pain. Walking through the pressure, that's my mantra like my last.
So guys, if you want to come here and register, you know, go to the booth. We have some merch as well here. Women in Drifting, Australian Drift Club merch, Wet Pan Warriors, and of course, DRIFTMOB works.
Trying to ball on cause I know it's just a bad game. Tell them this is draft day. In my pocket, celebrate this is my last day. Wait, tried to tell them this is draft day. No more walk around depressing with a sad face.
I'm softly spoken. Oh, that's too close now. Borderline gay, but it's all good. We're all for it. Whatever you're into. That was just a joke. So if you are, it's all good. You know. Those of you that haven't driven on like a wet asphalt, it's different. Heaps more grip than the wet skid pan at Sydney Motorsport Park, which is like a flat concrete surface. So you will get a bit more tyre wear. So we do write that down in there, like it's a bit harsh on the tyres, so bring some spares, but heaps more grip. So it's like driving in the dry, but not really driving in the dry. Go. Yeah. That's about it. You're allowed passengers one at a time in the car. They've got to be in the front passenger seat. And everybody getting in the car needs to have the helmet, long sleeve, everything, shoes, and the armbands. Before you jump in, go sign on, get the armband. Make sure if you don't have a helmet, we can hire you one. I think it's $30 for the night. Then you bring it back at the end of the night, get your deposit back.
The drift night's about to start, and I'll show you guys how things are done differently out here. There it is, cars have lined up. Different lineup here, guys. You see a lot of Holden and Falcon. It's different. I'm pretty excited to see how these cars are gonna go sideways. Of course, familiar chassis, Alteza. More Fords, more Holdens. It's just, yeah, sounds good, man. Yeah, interesting, interesting. This is moving. It was revving at me. Oh, let's see how he's gonna drive. Let's go, Kato. Go, let's go. Fun, fun, fun. Just come out, have fun, spin out, understeer, whatever. You're not spending so much on your tires. All day, all night, drifting, man. Like a lot of seat time. This is what people need. Ooh, I'm freezing. How cold do you think this is? 10, yeah? 10 degrees maybe. I'm not kidding, man. Like my face is frozen as if I've dipped my face in an ice bucket full of water. In my hands. But yeah, it's cold, but it's nice because after this we're gonna head back to Manila. More Altezas. You have so many Altezas. What is this? The Skyline. Yeah. 33. Beautiful. So we'll quickly go up and check out the drag race scene. Super close to the starting line of the drag strip. Check it out. Motorbikes. Mio. I'm just kidding. Like about 20 steps away from the starting line. This is mad. Soar Power SR20. Coffee, donuts. I know it's cold, but sometimes I crave for ice creams too, you know? Racing boys are here. This is gonna be yeah, we want to see the Zeus Mark 4 versus the Ute. Is that a Ute or wagon? It's a wagon, yeah.